So today is video batching day, so I'm going to record 4 YouTube videos, and then if I have the energy, I'm going to try to do a few reels. I'm going to try to knock those out. Say hi, Leo. That's my little Yorkie. Okay, going to plan out my outfits for the day. Now it's time to plan out what I'm going to wear. So we got earrings because I like to switch up the earrings. Got my shirts. And now it's time to get everything together. Let's knock out these videos so that for the rest of this month, I can focus on other stuff. I think I'm gonna do a little extra for my makeup. So today we are using NARS foundation. Video number 1, I got my makeup done. We got the background set up. So now I am about to record. So the way I record is I have my shirt on, I have my outfit on. I'm going to record this video. Then I'm going to change into my second outfit and then record that video. And I'll really go more in depth with how I do all this inside of my mini course, Video Batch Like a Boss mini course. I just record my video, change to my other outfit, and then record my next video. And I'm able to record all of my videos in less than 2 hours this way. So I want to show you guys my batching setup really quickly. So here is the setup. I got my little script. And then I have my camera and then my lights. And it's a pretty beautiful day today. I don't have any of my lights on right now. But yeah, basically my light, I have what I'm going to say inside of Trello. And then I also have a reflector disc. And this just helps to brighten me up. So here is, say hi, Brianna. Hi, Brianna. So this is my setup for batching. I'm doing a reel. Basically, I just flip my camera over and I'm going to do a talking reel. So I figured, why not? I'm already dressed up and stuff. So I recorded my YouTube video and then I recorded a reel to go along with it. So now I'm going to change into my second outfit and we're going to do the same thing over again. Set healthy boundaries and say no to things that do not align with the highest, grandest vision of you. All right, so it is now time for the next video. Rings, change the hair up. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Well, hello there. And then once I'm done recording the videos, I'm just kind of gonna flip it over like this, and then I will be recording my reels. Hello there again. Now, I do not record all of my reels this way. I do not record all of my reels in my DSLR. It's just a lot of work, and I'm just far too lazy for that. But if I'm going to do like a talking one, sometimes if I'm already dressed up and I already got makeup on, then I'll try to do it with the DSLR. So just a hack to trying to get as much content as possible out of something. So do the YouTube videos and then do the reels, like a few little reels as well. Break from batching my videos because I am so hungry. Like my stomach started growling. So I got some pasta right here, which my trainer will be like, not approved, but well, you are hungry, you hungry. So yeah, I'm taking a break from batching. I'm gonna eat some lunch because there's no point in recording videos if your stomach is growling, you're getting low energy. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna record my other 2 videos and try to knock out some reels. I'm about to record a reel. Hopefully YouTube is not like flag me for stealing music. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do this reel. All right, let's go to my saved ones. All right, you ready? that one's done. So we're gonna do some more and just keep on going.
3 weeks later.
So you guys, I totally forgot to record an ending to this video and tell you all about the Video Batch Like a Boss. So inside of Video Batch Like a Boss, there's a mini course and it's all about how to batch all of your content. Inside of the mini course, you get things like a pre-prep checklist, so things you do before you record. You get a video script, you get videos, tutorials, like how to edit your videos inside of your phone as well as on your computer. You learn how I plan my videos as well as how to script your videos. You also get some hacks to repurpose your videos into other things like Reels and TikTok videos and blog posts and stuff like that. So inside of Video Batch Like a Boss, I literally give you step by step how to batch all of your content in as little as 8 hours. So if you're interested in my Video Batch Like a Boss mini course, I will provide the link down below. So talk to you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and of course, stay blessed. Bye guys.